Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can boost FPS on GTA 5, how you can fix FPS drops, lagging, stuttering and freezing. And the best part of it, with this guide you don't need to download anything, it will be all in your settings. So let's get started. First of all, I will show you in Windows settings and then we'll go in game. So the first step, what I always suggest you to do here is to make sure that your operating system is up to date. Go to settings, go to Windows Update, check for updates, and if there is an update, update your operating system. Same thing with your GPU drivers, depending on what GPU you're using. I have NVIDIA, so I can go to NVIDIA app, go to drivers. If there is a driver that I need to download and install on my GPU, I can easily do that here, right? And so this is the first step. Also, before you play the game, go to Task Manager, sort it out by CPU and GPU heavy apps, and then end them that you don't use and you know that do not break your computer. Same thing with startup apps. Make sure that a very small amount of apps is enabled here, maybe Windows apps or the apps that you use often, but nevertheless, just disable these apps from starting when your computer boot up, because it requires a lot of resources and sometimes you forget to turn them off. And also, if you play GTA 5 with Discord, go to Discord, go to gear icon here, go to advanced, and then make sure hardware acceleration here is turned off. This is the first steps that I suggest to do here, and then let's go with other methods. So just right click on your desktop, show more options, and go to NVIDIA control panel, and then we change some things here. So the first step, what I suggest to do here is to go to change resolution, then make sure the right monitor is selected and select maximum refresh rate. Go to configure surround and 5x, make sure on processor tab is your GPU selected, then go to manage 3D settings, and then you need to scroll down until you see the monitor technology. Make sure it's fixed refresh or G-Sync compatible. Then go to open GDI compatibility, make sure prefer performance, open GL rendering GPU, make sure it's your dedicated GPU. Power management mode, make sure prefer maximum performance. Preferred refresh rate, make sure it's highest available. Shader cache size unlimited. Texture filtering anisotrophic sample option is on. Texture filtering quality, make sure it's high performance, super important. Then make sure that texture filtering trilinear optimization and threaded optimization is on. Vertical sync is off, and virtual reality pre-rendered frames is off as well. And then apply the changes and you can close this. Then you need to go to settings. On settings, you need to go to gaming, game bar, make sure game bar is turned off. Go back on gaming, game mode, and make sure game mode is on. Then go to services and search. You just need to write services, and then click on one of the tasks here and press S until you see sysmain. Right click on it, stop it, then right click again, go to properties, startup type, and make sure it's disabled, right? Then what you need to do here is to go back on Steam or other client that you have, then right click on GTA, go to properties, then on launch option here, just write -i, then go to installed files, browse. Then on this new window here, you need to scroll down until you see these exe files, or simply you just need to write .exe here, and you will see all the exe files here. And first you need to find GTA 5-BE, right click on it, go to show more options, properties, compatibility, make sure disable full screen optimizations is selected, then press change high DPI settings, select override high DPI scaling behavior, select application, apply, okay. Then look for play GTA 5.exe, right click again and do the same. Compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, and then do the same here, apply, okay. And then GTA 5.exe, do the same, show more options, properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, and then override application, okay. And then once you've done this, then you can just paste, copy and paste the link here of your files, and then you can close this window. Then you just need to go to graphics settings, On graphic settings, you need to make sure that under the advanced graphic settings, hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled, and then select add a desktop app, and then paste the link that we copied, and then you need to add GTA 5B, and then make sure it's as you can see here, set to high performance and optimizations for Windows games is selected. Then again press the desktop app, paste the path, then press and add play GTA 5, and then we need to look for it here. It should be here. Do the same, high performance, then go back, add desktop app, again paste the code or link, and then GTA 5 exe, and then you need to find GTA 5 exe as well, right? So let's find it here and select high performance, and then you can close this window here, and then open up edit, just right on search edit power plan, then here select power options, then select ultimate performance. If ultimate performance is not available for you, select a high performance, and then close this window here. Another thing that you need to do here is to write view advanced system settings, and on view advanced system settings you need to go to advanced, under performance go to settings, then select custom, and here only leave with these three options: smooth edges, show thumbnails, and save taskbar. Press OK. Then be on advanced again. You need to go to performance, select settings, then advanced here, and then go to virtual memory and press change, and then select the disk where your game is installed. For me is disk C. Deselect this option here, select custom size, and then you need to just calculate the things, and don't worry, super fast and easy. So first of all, you need to open up system information, and then on system information you need to look how much RAM do you have on your computer. As you can see here, I have 16 gigabytes, and so you need to pull out your calculator, and then you just need to put your RAM value times 1024 times 1.5. And then the number that you get here, you need to put to initial size, and then delete the number, put your RAM value again, times 1024 times 3. And the number that you get here, you need to put to maximum size, right? And after that, apply the changes and close this window here. Another thing that you need to do here is to go to, on search again, go to system configuration. On system configuration, you need to look for services, hide all Microsoft tasks, and end all the tasks that you don't use. Just untick them here, and then press apply and OK. Done. The next step, what you need to do here, you just need to press Windows and I key, or simply write run. And then on run, you need to write percent here, temp%. And then here, you just need to delete all the temporary files that you have here. Just delete them all. Some files you cannot delete, so as you can see here, you just need to just skip it or cancel, and just leave them there. And also you can go to storage settings, and then on storage settings you need to go to temporary files, and on temporary files also just untick downloads if there is an option for you, and then you can delete all the files here by removing them here, right? And the next step, what you need to do here, you need to turn on your GTA 5, go to Task Manager. Currently I'm recording a video, so more convenient for me to show with other app, but for you should be GTA 5. In my case will be Steam. Just on search, look for GTA 5 exe, and then of course be on processes, then go for GTA 5, right click on it, go to details, then look for GTA 5 exe, right click on it, set priority, and then set to high. And now will be the section if you're experiencing lag, high latency, and network issues. So first of all, go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you have good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router. And always use Ethernet cable if there is a possibility. Then go to settings, search, go to command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And here we need to put few commands. So the first one is ipconfig flush DNS, and another command is -winsock reset. Another thing that you need to do here is to go to settings, network and internet, then advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again, so keep in mind that. Then go to network and internet, advanced network settings, find your internet connection, expand the option, more adapter options, edit. Then select Internet Protocol version 4, and then select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. Now we can go in-game. And in-game graphic settings, make sure that screen type is full screen. I'm recording videos, so for me more convenient. Resolution is your native, your aspect ratio is auto, and then FXAA and MSAA is off, VSync is off, pause game on focus loss, it can be on. Population density, make sure it's 2 ticks. Population variety and distance scaling, make sure it's 3 ticks. Then everything is normal here. Then reflection, MSAA is off. Water quality, particle quality, grass quality, normal. Stop shadows, soft. Post effects, normal. Then anisotropic filtering, ambient occlusion, and tessellation is off. And then go to advanced graphics, long shadow, everything is off. And then here, as you can see, only extended distance scaling, make sure it's 2 or 3 ticks. And then apply the changes. And yeah, that's basically it. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.